Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening your file and jumping straight to the Layers panel so you can see what's locked and where. Once the Layers panel is visible, expand every layer and sublayer. Look for padlock icons. Next, select the page or spread you're working on so you don't accidentally edit a master. Then, click any locked padlock to unlock a layer. If multiple items belong to one layer, unlock the layer first, and then proceed to individual items. Now focus on unlocking the objects themselves. Select an object and use Object Unlock to release it. If you can't select it, choose Select All on Spread to reveal locked elements. When an item still won't unlock, inspect groups and nested frames, right-click and ungroup, then unlock inner objects individually. If a master item is the culprit, override it on the page first. Once done, confirm you can move and edit the object. Then tidy up by regroup. Finish by overriding any master page elements using Shift plus Control on Windows or Shift plus CMD on Mac while clicking the item, then edit it freely. Save a new version so you can revert if something goes wrong and relock layers you want protected. If an object remains immovable, inspect for hidden objects, locked layer styles, or active scripts that enforce locks. As a last resort, reset InDesign preferences. That troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.